Taking another deep breath, expand this light even more. Feeling this light is like a protective armor. Exhale and see it growing in size. The light is filling your entire torso now, protecting your heart from worries and healing any broken love. Breathing, feeling powerful. And as you continue breathing, each breath calms you to your soul, expanding the light even further. On the next exhale, visualize the white light traveling into your head, protecting your mind from negative thoughts. See the white light filling your face and neck, healing any old, harmful emotions that you had over the years. This light is the most relaxing and comforting feeling you've ever experienced. As you continue breathing passionately, the light travels down your body, all the way to your hands and fingers, feet and toes. See yourself completely immersed in this healing white light. Your body is perfectly healthy in this light. Any outside invaders cease to be wherever the light is present. Good. Now imagine that you